Hello friends, today we show the entire carbonization process of this continuous carbonization furnace. Raw material, nutshell, moisture, 18.5%. Gas fire is used to preheat the furnace. Feed materials when the temperature rises to 120 Celsius. The material enters the bin via a belt conveyor and is simultaneously conveyed into the carbonization furnace by a forced feeder for carbonization. When materials are heated to a certain temperature, combustible gases begin to form. These gases enter the secondary pyrolysis reactor via the return recycle air pipe for the secondary pyrolysis reactor, circulating to provide a continuous heat to the furnace body. The material undergoes drying with the inner layer of the carbonization furnace to the outer layer for carbonization through dry distillation. Materials are being anaerobic pyrolysis inside the furnace. This process reduces costs while protecting the environment by subjecting the wood vinegar and wood tar produced during carbonization to high temperature treatment. Excess flue gas is also generated during carbonization. This flue gas enters the purification systems before being discharged into the atmosphere. Shut gas fire till the furnace produces stable flue gas. The carbonized material will be discharged from 3 layers, calling discharging conveyor.